Connector body is high impact, fire retardant plastic rated UL94V-2. TIA, EIA channel performance limits total length of patching and equipment cords to 32 feet, 10 meters per TIA, EIA 568B. 14 colors for color coding or organization, available in 6 standard lengths. All connectors feature standard QuickPort compatibility and universal color-coded wiring labels. eXtreme 6 Plus system components meet or exceed the requirements for channel component level performance for TIA, EIA Category 6, CALIS listed, NOM-ACA. Top reviews from the United States. This is the gold standard for RJ45 modular jacks. Yes, they're relatively expensive but worth the money. And paired with a Fluke Rapid Jack tool, you too can be an awesomely speedy network installer. I just finished a job and ran some CAT6A and terminated with these bad boys, and they didn't disappoint. 100% accuracy as long as you use the right color code sequence. 568B is the go-to standard, and a RAID jack tool. These are the best.